How to open a bank account with SoFi. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up your browser on your PC and then in the search bar sofi.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply log in or create your SoFi profile. If you already have an account, go ahead and tap on continue. If you don't, simply tap on get started. Once you tap onto it, you want to go ahead and simply type in your first legal name and your last legal name. Along with it, select your state and your email address. Once done, tap on this checkbox, then tap on next. And once you're inside here, a verification code will be sent to you on your email. Go ahead and tap on send email. And just like so, type in the verification code right over here. Once done, tap on verify code. And once you're logged in, you want to go ahead and find the banking section. And just like that, you want to go ahead and decide between individual or joint account. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and provide your personal information, your full legal name, your date of birth, your citizen status, your country of citizenship, and your physical address in the US. Also, along with that, you'll need your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your phone number and your email address, employment status and your employer details, and also your information about backup withholding taxes if applicable. Verify your identity, confirming your phone number and entering the verification code sent to you. And just like that, you want to go ahead and read the legal disclaimers, agree to terms and conditions, and then click on submit to complete your application. You'll also need a valid US address, a SSN, and a phone number capable of receiving text, a government issue ID like your driver license for identity verification. And just like that, once it is verified, you will then be able to open a bank account with SoFi. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.